course, a lot of those one-trick ponies, if you know how to make money with one-trick ponies, go for it.
Mm-hmm.
But, it's really about having multiple streams. And I think, having the banking yourself, to me, that's the foundation on the house. Okay. It's, you've heard it many times. How do you build your house, on the rock or on the sand? And to me, the place that needs to be in the rock is that banking yourself type policy, so you can check off lots of boxes for that.
It's huge.
Because that'll be, as we like to say a lot, the Swiss Army knife. It does a lot of things. But it's not the only thing you need to have. You need to have some of these other vehicles that I was talking about. And if you get those structured right, then even if you're still, playing in the market some, you can at least not be afraid if that thing just, that part of the house gets knocked down because of whatever happens in the marketplace out there. You're guaranteed never to eat cat food if you will put your plan together correctly, as we like to do it with the different structures of different vehicles. And that way, something doesn't work, you're still okay over here. And so I want something I know I can get into the boat. The motor's going to start and it's going to go where I'm pointing it. And that gives me a lot of peace in planning. It gives me a lot of peace in my personal, and clients get a lot of peace knowing that they're okay.
Yeah.
So.
I mean, isn't that kind of what a plan is, when when you start where you're going to end? I mean, isn't that what a plan? I mean, that's a roadmap. A GPS usually has a destination in mind.